I almost stopped using OpenHands after the first hour. Seriously. I thought, why would I use this when I already have Cursor? Then I gave it one job that I honestly didn't feel like doing myself. That's when I finally understood what it's trying to be. Instead of asking it to write one function, I told it to fix a small issue that was spread across multiple files. Then I just watched. It started reading the project, checking files, making changes, and explaining what it was doing. That felt different. Not necessarily better, just different. I actually caught myself taking my hands off the keyboard for a minute. Then something happened. It changed a file I wasn't expecting. My first reaction was, why did you touch that? Turns out it had a reason. The fix made sense. Still, I wasn't comfortable merging everything without checking it first. And honestly, I don't think you should, no matter which AI tool you're using. One thing I really liked was that it wasn't waiting for me after every tiny step. I'd give it a task, grab a coffee, come back, and it had already worked through most of it. That changes how you think about AI coding tools. You're not getting autocomplete, you're delegating work. Now, does it replace Cursor? For me, no. Cursor still feels quicker when I'm actively writing code and jumping between files. OpenHands feels stronger when I already know what I want done and I'd rather hand the whole task over. Those are two completely different workflows. If you're a beginner, I'd probably point you toward Cursor first. OpenHands makes a lot more sense once you are comfortable reading code and reviewing AI-generated changes. So, would I keep using it? Yeah, just not for every project. I stopped thinking of it as a replacement. I started treating it like another developer on the team, one that works fast, occasionally makes questionable decisions, and definitely needs someone to review the pull request before it goes live. That mindset made the tool a whole lot more useful than I expected. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.